This is not new, but they're back. And I've only picked one of the more popular ones.
Well, Thunderbird 2 is the go.
Is it the go?
It is the go.
Okay.
I mean, there are people that like Thunderbird 4, but, you'd have to question.
Really?
Yeah.
Their sanity?
Yeah.
All right, fair
There's
enough.
something wrong with
But
it.
this is always really, really popular.
We haven't had Thunderbird stuff for a while.
No, not for a while. Yeah, for a number of months. So we're fully stocked up. We've got the full set now. And we just sent out a full set to an avid collector.
Yeah, and I took a photo of the full set and put it on my Facebook page yesterday.
Did you?
And people were going, oh.
There we go. Look at that. I might have a quick look inside.
Have a quick look. Hey, hang on, this is transparent Thunderbird 2.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is too.
Oh.
See, it's right there.
You'll be able to see Virgil.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I like how the box is like a TV as well.
Yeah.
Boom.
Look at that.
Oh, it is. It's clear.
It's clear.
You can see all the bits. Because this will have the, what do you call it? The module that goes through the
pods.
center?
The pods.
Oh, they call them pods, do they?
They call them pods.
All right. All right, you got some clear bits. There's the cockpitty bit.
Yeah. Geez, I don't know how I feel about a transparent Thunderbird 2. I like the fact that it says the scale 1 to 350.
Yeah.
When in fact the actual thing never really existed. So how can you work out the scale?
Oh, I guess I just judge how big the pilot is, eh?
I don't know. Yeah, I suppose you judge it against human.
So you can
scale.
love or hate clear, but I've seen some really good builds where half of it's been painted and half of it's clear.
Yeah, that'll work.
It's like a cutaway. And then all the other bits.
They're the pods.
There's a pod.
Look at
There's
that.
a pod right there.
Looks like you.
And then all your other bits. What do you call these little tracked, the mole and things? Is it?
Is that?
Looks like tomato sauce and mustard.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
what do you call those things? Is that another Thunderbird number?
No.
Oh, there's a mole?
That's just one of the machines.
There's a mole there. There it is.
Yep. There's the mole. Given this is orange, I wouldn't be surprised if there's a Thunderbird 4 here.
Okay. Well, it could be. There could be multiples. Comes with a shit of decals. Lots of decals, actually. What are these funky coloured bits?
Yeah, I don't give up.
Okay. Well, T2 is Thunderbird 2, yeah?
We possibly should have researched this more thoroughly before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nah, there's no fun doing that.
No fun doing that?
No. Oh, there you go. You got your manual, and there's all the little bits and pieces that come with it. Do you recognise any of them?
Oh, yeah. These are the ones that the Firefly landed on when its landing gear went south. I remember that. Then there's a couple of diggers.
And there's a mole coming out there.
Yeah, but no Thunderbird 4. But you can buy. We've got the Thunderbird 4 kit.
We do.
But
We've got them.
As I said, your sanity's called into question if you like Thunderbird 4.
And there you go. Look at that.
Gordon.
It recommends Humbrol paint.
Humbrol.
It's got Humbrol paint numbers.
Yeah.
Wasn't expecting that one.
I won't be using them.
No. All right. Fair enough.
Even for the clear?
Even for the clear.
It recommends to paint with Humbrol clear.
Yeah, why not? Guaranteed to turn yellow.
Yep.
So there we go.
Look at that. Thunderbird 2.